Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm back with a brand new budget category Bluetooth speaker and this one is from Noise. This is the brand's first product in the speaker category and they've launched it at a very affordable price. So today we'll be unboxing it and see how the product performs. The product came in this sort of box packaging and the name of the model we'll be reviewing today is Noise Vibe. It's a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker and offers quite a bit of features considering the price point. You've got the Noise branding everywhere and at the backside we've got some of its features mentioned. Let me show you. It can produce around 5 watts of output, offers 9 hours of music playtime, is IPX7 rated water resistant and even has TWS pairing mode. So those were some of its highlights. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So on opening it, we've got some paperwork at the top which includes a manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read them. And here's the speaker we were all waiting for, the Noise Vibe in stone grey color. It's also available in 3 other color variants. We'll just come back to the speaker in a moment. Let me first show you what else we got in the package. You get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable and a regular micro USB cable for charging. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally have a look at the speaker, the all new Noise Vibe. It's an affordable Bluetooth speaker that can produce around 5 watts of output and has a unique squarish-like design with the Noise logo on the front. And the speaker, as you can see, is entirely covered in a fabric mesh material that is actually tear resistant and feels spongy when you touch it. I like the overall build quality, it's pretty good and easily weighs around like 309 grams. It also has silicone strap on one end with the Noise branding on it so you can easily hang it onto something. And talking about the controls, you can see all the controls are present at the top side. There's a volume down, volume up, media play pause, a power button, and lastly an LED status indicator at the center. There is nothing on the sides and going to the bottom, you've got some info regarding the product and a large rubber foot pad covering the area. Now let me show you all the available connectivity ports. The ports are all sealed with a rubber flap to prevent water from entering into the speaker. And here you go, it's got a micro SD card slot, a 3.5mm aux port and a micro USB cable for charging. And if you guys observed, there was a tiny charging LED indicator as well. That's it guys, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just power it on, pair it with my phone and show you how the audio on it sounds like. The Noise Vibe comes with a 40mm driver and offers pretty good sound for the price. The mids felt crispy, you could easily hear all the dialogues and the vocal clarity was also decent. The treble quality was nice, it was producing good high frequency response with minimum harshness. And talking about the bass was also actually good. See, usually small speakers on a budget do not produce decent bass, but that was not the case over here. It was doing a good job for the price. I played a variety of music and was quite satisfied with the sound quality, especially considering the price tag. On top of that, the speaker also supports multiple connectivity options, like apart from Bluetooth, you got built-in FM radio, SD card support and even 3.5mm aux port. The overall THD was also minimum up to 75% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And if you ask about the audio output, it was definitely producing around 5 watts of output and was sufficient enough to enjoy music in a small sized room. Not to forget, the speaker also has a built-in mic and let me tell you, the mic quality was actually pretty good during call conversations. I had no issues over here. Now let's talk about the battery life. The Vibe comes with a built-in 1800 mAh battery and on an average was offering around 8 hours of music playtime, that too at 75% volume level. And charging the speaker from 0 to 100 took about 3 hours. Well, that was my review on this brand new affordable Bluetooth speaker from Noise. It's a good Bluetooth speaker for the price. I like the design, it's IPX7 water resistant, supports true stereo mode if you have 2 of these, offers multiple connectivity modes and good quality sound. The speaker usually costs around 1499 rupees, but right now they are having a special launch discount going on and is available for only 1299 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.